Talking about campaigns, campaigns are very standard object, and what we do here is, and how are campaigns used is, so campaigns is like that, your company is doing the campaign, they are promoting product. Then you can create a campaign and you can send out multiple emails using that campaign. You can do a trade show, you can invite them for a conference, and stuff like that can be tracked using campaigns. So it's mostly part of the marketing features of Salesforce. So how you create a campaign, you go to the campaigns tab and you can create a new campaign using this. We'll just have a look at one of the existing campaigns. Within a campaign, you can have all these values, and obviously you can create custom fields as well. The campaign would have a start date and an end date and what the status and a type. Within campaign, you would have a related object called campaign members, where what you can actually do is you can add leads and contacts to this particular campaign. So basically you can invite your leads and your contacts to attend your conference, or you can send them emails about a particular event that you are planning to do. So you can add leads. Let's try adding a lead. So I want to add these two leads, and I want to keep the status as sent. And you can add multiple statuses as well and submit. And then I also want to add a contact here. Submit. Right, so we have got 4 contact campaign members. Campaign member is basically a junction object between your campaign and leads and contact. So here, the tweak here is that actually have 3 fields here. You can link lead or a contact, and you can also link campaign basically. So campaign is by default linked, and then you also have the lead or a contact that you can link to the campaign member. That is the difference here. But yeah, this is a standard object called campaign members which is available. The advantage that you have here is that when you go to a report, and let's say you have a tabular report, here you would get an option to add to campaign. So you can add the leads and contacts to a campaign using this feature, and then you can submit it, so your members would be added, right? And once it is done, you would get an email. So that is one thing. That's how you manage campaign and campaign members. If you have any questions, you can join the QA session, which happens every Friday. And please drop in your comments, feedback, and any questions in the comment section, and I'll get back to you.